Fresh into stock at Guaranteed Motors. This 2 Series Sports Tourer. What an awesome little car this is. So we've got a petrol, step auto. So it's incredibly efficient. Real-time driving, you still average about 42, 43 to the gallon. And this one has got absolutely monster spec. We've got a power lift tailgate. An additional storage underneath the boot floor. Nice size boot. And it's beautiful ivory cream interior. Where do I start with the list of spec on here? So we've got automatic lights and wipers. We've got a head-up display. Pro-NAV with a full BMW service history. We've got collision mitigation, so it will brake for you if it feels that you're about to hit something. We've also got pedestrian alert. We've also got lane departure warning system. So this is fully spec'd up. Dual zone climate control with heated leather seats in the front, and of course the iDrive system. We've got paddle shift gearbox. We've also got automatic headlight control, so it will dip the beam for you when you're driving at night when it senses another car coming towards you. Chromatic rearview mirror is the BMW connected system. There really isn't much on this car that's lacking at all. And it is in exceptional condition. Just 34,000 miles on the clock. And you won't have to service or anything for at least a year. As with all cars at Guaranteed Motors, it gets 6 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and of course the RAC approved 82-point check. That's an awful lot of car. Ideal family car. Okay, look forward to seeing you soon.